Hello sushi lover family. Today I'm gonna show you how to make perfect California roll. California Sushi Roll is one of the very popular and famous sushi roll in Europe, US and also Asia country, mostly in fusion sushi in Japan. I have the nori seaweed. It's called some people alga and some people called seaweed. In Japan it's called nori. I will break down from the middle. Okay, let's see here. This also have two sides, shiny side and the lining and rock side. Always we have to place the sushi rice on the rock side. Now I'm gonna place the sushi rice on the rock side. Normally I love to use 100 gram sushi rice for the California sushi roll. I will use thumb and second finger to place upster and downside. Okay, like this, and the second finger will help to put the rice down. Yes, I place the sushi rice, and now I am gonna use to Rio orange Tobico. That is the Hidekzu Tojo. Now I gonna flip it and put little bit mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna place the ingredients. Firstly, I will put the crab sticks. It's a cooked crab stick. Now I will place the egg omelette. In Japan it's called tabango. And place cucumber also. And put some sliced carrots. Now I'm gonna roll it. For the sushi rolling technique, always leave one finger here in the bamboo mat, so it will be easy to roll it. You can take out the bamboo sheet, bamboo mat in your thumb finger and second finger and secure the all ingredients. Now you can start to roll it again. Pick up roll and shape, and you can put paste here to make equal side. Now you can dress up some orange Tobico on the outside. Yes, my California sushi roll is now ready. I will cut the middle. We want to make it 6 pieces. Cut in half again and again, cut half again and again. Is it okay? Now I'm gonna do plating. Also we can do plating this like. I will give a flour for garnishing and serve with wasabi, pickled ginger and light soy sauce. So that's our California roll. Guys, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.